Hi developers, if you're ready to level up your career with technical writing or switch to another skill, mastering technical writing can open doors to amazing opportunities. So today I'll share with you some of the things you can become a pro at technical writing and land that dream job in 2024. So the first thing is basically you need to understand what technical writing is. If you have no idea what technical writing is, it's just all about creating clear, concise, and user-friendly documentation that will help people understand a complex information. Think of user manuals, API documentations, tutorials, and many more. Please check out Introduction to Technical Writing to have an in-depth understanding of what technical writing is. Then, once you understand what technical writing is, please brush up your skills. You need to read and write regularly, and practice makes perfect. Read tech blogs, documentations, and also write your own. I recommend you to start with platforms like Dev.to or Hashnode to start writing. Also use tools like Grammarly to help you refine your grammar and style. So structure your document and organize your content logically and keep the language clear and easy to understand. Once you're done, the tools that are commonly used in technical writing. Things like Markdown, HTML, which is just basic markup language, which is used for formatting text. And then we have content management systems like WordPress, Gitbook, and others. And then documentation tools, for example, Madcap, FrameMaker, and even Microsoft Word. Also, version control systems, especially Git, which is essential for managing changes to your documentation. Understand your audience. Knowing your audience is key to effective technical writing. Writing to beginners, or are the audience beginners or experts or intermediates? What do they need to accomplish? Tailor your content to their level of understanding and goals. Also practice technical writing. Start by creating sample documentation for projects you've worked on or open source projects you're trying to contribute to. You can write API documentation. Choose an API you like and write detailed documentation for it. For example, Google Weather App, Weather API, Google Maps API, all those ones. And then you can also create tutorials like step-by-step guide for common programming tasks. Open source, which is basically projects that need better documentation. This is a great way to practice and also build your portfolio. Speaking of portfolio, you can build your portfolio. I've already mentioned you can start writing on free platforms and put all the samples of your work there. Make sure that there are different types. There are a mixture of documentation, tutorials, and blog posts. And then also be sure you're able to share links to your published work. If you've written for any publications or contributed to any projects, be sure that you share links. And then also having your own blog is a plus. Be sure that you get feedback and keep improving always. Feedback is very important. Share your work in the tech communities, on Twitter with experienced writers, and take it as an opportunity to learn and grow. So be sure that you learn from people who have already been established. Read technical blogs like Write the Docs. I love reading that so much. And then there are also books that you can read, and then take some courses if you have that time. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera have those courses. So networking is also important. Make sure that you join communities, attend events related to technical writing, and also tech in general. Networking normally opens doors to job opportunities and collaborations. So you can check out meetup.com and look for technical writing related groups. You can also join online communities or forums like Reddit, LinkedIn groups, Facebook groups, Discord channels, Twitter communities, etc. After you have something to show, be sure you apply for jobs and be visible. Put yourself out there. Look for positions that match your skills and interests, and also tailor your resume and cover letter to highlight your technical writing experience and how it can benefit potential employees. Besides jobs, you can also freelance. You can use freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and offer technical writing as one of your services and keep going. So mastering technical writing as a developer not only improves your communication skills, but also makes you a valuable asset to any team. So be sure that you start it out, build your portfolio, learn, and also keep growing. Happy writing and good luck in your journey. If you have any questions, feel free to drop it in the comments and let's keep in touch. Goodbye.